Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Sunnybrae, British Columbia. This small lakeside community sits along the north shore of Shuswap Lake, just across from Salmon Arm. The name Sunnybrae comes from two words, sunny for the bright open skies and brae, a Scottish word for hillside. Settlers in the early 1900s gave it that name because of its sunny slopes and scenic views. Over the years, Sunnybrae became known as a peaceful place for farming, cottages, and summer getaways. Today, it's a quiet mix of year-round homes and vacation spots. Locals enjoy the nearby beach park, boat launch, and trails along the water. The area is rich with wildlife and offers amazing views of the lake and surrounding hills. Whether you're passing through or staying a while, Sunnybrae is a beautiful reminder of life at a slower pace. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sunnybrae, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!